Okay, so you are aware. These were the 3 mole equation questions from my 2014 unit exam. They're exactly like the kind of thing you're going to see on Monday. Okay, so you're aware. All right. So for question number 1. Okay, so for question number 1, we're looking for how many moles? So we're looking for N. They tell us that we are dealing with sodium oxide. That is Na2O. Right? Because oxygen's a -2 and sodium's a +1. Right? So we got 22.99 times 2 plus 16 to get our molar mass. Okay, so 22.99 times 2 plus 16. All right, so 61.98 grams per mole. All right, 1 mark for their given, well, the mass has also got to be under 35 grams. Okay, so we have those pieces of information. We are looking to find N, the number of moles. So we are looking at having 35 grams divided by 61.98 grams per mole. They have something that looks like that. That'll be their second mark. 35 divided by 61.98. Come on. 35. Okay, let's try that again. 35 divided by 61.98. Better. Okay. So we got 0.56 moles, okay, because we're going to go to just 2 decimal places. So our answer here will be 0.56 moles. Third and final mark for question number 1. Questions on number 1? Good. All right. Question number 2. We are looking for the mass of 4.85 moles of iron 3 chloride. So they gave us N, 4.85 moles. They told us the material, iron with the 3+ charge and chlorine together. So that'll be FeCl3. So that'll be 55.85 plus 35.45 times 3. All right, so we're looking at a molar mass of 162.2 grams per mole. All right, 1 mark for that. Okay. And we are looking for little m this time. So N equals little m over big M. Okay, we're trying to get little m by itself, so we're going to multiply both sides by big M to produce that formula. If they've got something that looks like that, give them a mark for it. That's their second mark. Okay, plugging in our numbers here, we're going to have 162.2 times 4.85. Mark for that.
So we have to write down like the N.
Yeah, I told you. I always give you. Yeah, I told you that. You don't have to show me the crossing out, but you need to show me the manipulated formula and the numbers plus. If they didn't show both, but they have this right, you can still give them both marks. Okay? But I know on a test, if you don't get the answer right, that's where I go back to try and get part marks. All right? Yeah. Okay. So times 4.85. So 786.67. Grams for their fourth and final mark. Okay? In the end, guys, if they have the answer right, they get the marks. Okay?
Yes.
But if all you show is your answer and it's wrong, you will get nothing for your smart pants answer. Okay? Show your work. Okay? If you don't like showing your work, you only have to show it till grade 12. The diploma exam couldn't give a flying you-know-what about your work. Okay? That's why it's all multiple choice and it's like numerical response. It's all machine scored. Saves money. You don't have to pay us to mark it. Okay? They can pay some flunky guy to put the machine. Okay? All right. What they do? All the diploma exams used to have a written response section. But it costs too much money to pay teachers to mark it. So we took it up. Except for, well, actually now math has a written part, English and social, obviously, I don't have it written. None of the sciences. Yeah, but you think about how many, you think about it, chem, bio, physics, science 30, right? It's 4 courses. It's half your exam. So that's a significant savings.
You should do science 30 if you do.
There is a science 30, we don't offer it.
Is there a science 20?
There's a science 20.
You guys don't offer it?
We don't offer it. It's not a great course.
Yeah, because you just take all 3 sciences.
Yeah, but they took the hardest stuff from all 3 sciences put it in that course, when it was supposed to be kind of an easier course.
Oh.
And then, it wasn't well done. Good. Oh, okay, question number 3. How many molecules of magnesium nitride? So now we're looking for number of molecules. Okay, and so that's going to be our question mark. They tell us it's magnesium nitride. That'll be Mg3 and 2. So we'll have 24.31 times 3 plus 14.01 times 2. All right, 100.95 for our molar mass there. Okay, 1 mark there. Now, watching carefully up here, guys. The mass, okay, is 340 grams. So we are looking for N first, because that will allow us to use Avogadro's number to then get the number of molecules. So N equals little m over big M, so that'll be 340 divided by 100.95. All right, so we're looking at 3.37 moles. Again, you want to keep all those decimals. Okay, I'm just not going to write them all down. So we will get a mark for that step there. And then we need to go number of molecules equals N times Ab's number. Okay, they can have a mark for that. And then for the number plugging, that'll get us up to 4 marks. So 3.37 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23. Okay. All right, so I'm keeping all the decimals by doing that. In brackets, 6.02. 3. All right, so we're looking at 2.03 times 10 to the 24 molecules. Okay, on a test, people forget to write this. Okay, you need to have units on your answer. And you can't just say number of molecules equals. Okay, it's 2.03 times 10 to the 24 molecules or whatever. Okay.
So you have inverse.
Am I what?
Having inverse.
Okay, I'll be merciful. It's not like me. Okay, I'm usually like over 5. All right.